Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the channel. Also click the post notification bell. That way you are notified every time I drop a video. For the current subscribers, welcome back. So today I'm just doing like a corn casserole. This is Paula Deen's recipe. So it's not mine. I'm gonna follow the recipe to a T, except for I'm gonna add some garlic powder and some black pepper, because the recipe, it doesn't really add seasoning to it. And yeah, I'm gonna add some black pepper and garlic powder just because that's just me. So yeah, so I already opened up the Jiffy mix because this is what it calls for. It's one of the probably main ingredients. Also, whole kernel corn. I already drained this corn. Well, for most part, I drained it. Hopefully you guys are having a fabulous Sunday. I have been cooking all day. I made some deviled eggs and some potato salad because I had some potatoes that needed to be used. So I made some potato salad. And then this is some cream style corn. Okay. It also calls for a cup of sour cream. I'm gonna try to get the rest of this out of here. So let me get the rest of this out of here and then I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I think this is probably roughly like a cup. It also calls for like a cup of cheese, but the cheese will go in it after it's been in the oven for 45 minutes. And then I also melted a stick of butter. So I'm gonna pour that in. This is the first time me making this. First time making this with you guys. One thing that y'all probably already know about me is I do not like no bland food. So I was like, this recipe does not ask for no salt, no pepper, no garlic, no nothing. But I'm gonna add at least some garlic and some black pepper. So now we're just gonna mix everything together. Ooh, that garlic smells so good. I love garlic, y'all. I love it. Some people call it like corn pudding, but when Paula Deen made it, she called it like corn casserole, so I just kind of followed suit. Since I'm using her recipe. Okay. I know this video is probably going to be kind of short because it's kind of, I guess, you know, kind of like straight to the point. I am going to put this in a square glass baking dish. So I think it's good and mixed up. So now give me a minute to get my baking dish, and then I will be right back. Okay. So I'm just gonna spray the inside of it. That's just a butter spray, just to make sure that it doesn't stick or anything like that. I'm preheating my oven to 350. It does have to cook for 45 minutes. I'm gonna let it preheat for like 5 minutes. And then I'll put it in the oven. So what I made, so I made some people say field eggs, some people call them deviled eggs, but I made some deviled eggs. I made some potato salad that's in the refrigerator. I'm gonna do some chicken breast in the air fryer, and then this, but after 45 minutes I'll take this out and sprinkle cheese on top of it, and then let the cheese melt. Once the cheese has melted, then it'll be done. So but yeah, so that will be that. And like always, I will definitely come back so you all can see the finishing product, but it was really simple. You're just mixing up a whole bunch of stuff, sticking it in the oven. I will link the ingredients and the instructions in the description in case anyone decides they want to try to make this. But hopefully everyone enjoys the rest of your Sunday, and I'll see you guys soon. All right. Okay, I'm back, you guys. So this is what it came out looking like. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So let's see. Ooh, hold on. So I'm just gonna taste it on camera. Okay. So I let it cook for 45 minutes, and then I put it back in the oven after I put some cheese on top. And I let it, I think it was like for like maybe like 5-6 minutes. So you can taste the pepper and the garlic. That was me adding the garlic and the pepper. The recipe did not call for that. But yeah, it's actually pretty good. I'm about to eat my dinner. This video will go up tomorrow. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoyed your Sunday. Until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.